Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enter the influencer program in the Trendyol app. First you have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the home menu where we can browse and buy some articles. From here we just go into the account menu. It opens up like this, and then we scroll down to the bottom, and there we have a Trend Fam Influencer program. We tap on this, and here we have a few steps and a little page where it describes what it is and how it works. But we can just sign up very easily, share our style, and we can actually earn money through getting into this partner program with the app. So if you would like to, you can do this and make some cash on the internet just in your free time. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.